Today I will test Google's new AI model called Gemma 4 12B-Q80 in Blender 5. And let's see if it can create a house. I think that's a pretty good test. And yeah, some of you might ask, well, how can an open source AI model like that create a house in Blender? Well, if you didn't know, Blender has Python support. So yeah, let's jump right into LM Studio. I've already written a prompt and send it to Gemma. I think it will take a while, so I will probably make a cut here. And let's see if it works. My expectations aren't that high, to be honest, but let's see.
A few moments later.
Okay, it took around 4 minutes, and now we have this result. It explained everything and told me how to run it, but I already know that. So let's just copy the Python script and go into Blender. Now let's go to scripting and paste this in here. And let's just try to run it. And we got an error. It made something, but that's not a house. So let's just copy the error and give it to Gemma and see if the AI can fix it.
A few moments later.
Okay, so it's finished. I got about 9 tokens per second with my RTX 5060, so pretty solid for an open source model like this. And yeah, here's the updated script. And what's funny is that it says that Blender 5.1 is a alpha or beta version. So yeah, that's because its training data is too old. But let's try if this new script works. Let's go into Blender again. Okay, and let's run it. It worked and it deleted the old stuff. But that's not a house, I think. Let's see the materials.
Bruh.
Okay, it looks horrible. And I don't think that Gemma will be able to fix this. So even after correcting the error, we don't get a proper house. I mean, look at this. It looks like a face. 2 eyes, a head, and a mouth. So yeah, Gemma did fail. And what did we learn from this video? Well, create your 3D models yourself. I mean, don't let Gemma 4 do this for you. It will probably make more fun doing this yourself, and it will look way better than this one, if you're good at Blender. And if you're not good at Blender, just watch some of my tutorials or from other YouTubers. They will help you a lot, I think. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And see you in the next one.